In a major breakthrough, the NIA has detained two in the Bengaluru blast case. The absconders in the Rameshwaram Cafe blast case, Abdul Mateen Taha and Musavir Hussain Shazeb, were traced out to their hideout near Kolkata, where they were allegedly operating under false identities. Musavir Hussain Shazeb is the accused who placed the IED at the cafe, and Abdul Mateen Taha is the mastermind behind the planning, the execution of the blast, and the subsequent evasion from the clutches of the law. Now, this pursuit, successfully accomplished by the NIA, was supported by coordinated action and cooperation between multiple agencies. You had the NIA, Central Intelligence Agencies, and the state police agencies of West Bengal, Telangana, Karnataka, and Kerala working together. Remember, on the 1st of March, at least 10 people were injured after an IED blast took place at the famous Whitefield eatery, Rameshwaram Cafe. Now, to get us the latest, we're crossing over to my colleague Neha. Neha, when we'd last spoken, that's when the breaking news had come out that the NIA had detained these two, the bomber and the mastermind. Tell us about what's happened since then.
Well, yes, Aisha, that's right. In fact, early this morning we saw the NIA, in fact, putting out a release there that they've made two arrests here, two key arrests of the prime accused in the Rameshwaram Cafe blast that had rocked Bengaluru, just a couple of weeks ago. Remember that even as, we saw these arrests being made, it was very quick that we saw the politics around this entire issue blowing up out of proportion. You had the BJP attacking the Mamata Banerjee government in Kolkata, going on to accuse them of harboring a hub for terrorists. Meanwhile, of course, you have the Kolkata BJP as well, in fact, that went on to further this narrative. And later, we saw a response there coming in from, of course, the other India bloc partners who went on to, sort of retort to this, saying that this is not the time to play politics. Remember, of course, even as we keep the politics out of this on Mirror now and we keep the focus on the investigation, it's imperative here to mention that, while, of course, these two arrests have been made, the police would now be probing these two accused for their involvement in this crime. Why was the bomb, of course, the IED there placed in Rameshwaram Cafe in Bengaluru? Remember, both of these accused now have connections with not only the Mangalore blast case, but also the Shivamogga terror module. The ISIS module is something that has now come up through the course of the investigation. It, of course, remains to be seen right now as to what evidence these accused would now be able to provide to the NIA to help them further their investigation, and whether this would then throw light on any other case and their involvement in that as well.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.